OCD is called the doubting disorder for a reason. It usually involves a lot of what ifs and maybes and how do I know for sure. And when it comes to treating OCD, especially the pure O presentation, which is where someone has mostly obsessions and engages in mental compulsions and a lot of rumination, there are some foundational concepts that are important to keep in mind, such as OCD brain gets you to think that you're guilty until proven innocent. So if you have a doubt of maybe I hit another car without realizing it, OCD then says, okay, so you're guilty, now try to prove that you're innocent. Try proving that that never happened. And of course, it's impossible to prove a negative, and so it takes you down this rabbit hole of rumination and thinking and obsessing, which of course just fuels the fear more and more and more. Another concept that's important to recognize is that the more you ruminate, the further you're going to get from the truth. Because we are meant to, as humans, to make quick judgments when it comes to these kind of things. And if you're going to ruminate a lot and treat it as if there's some statistical analyses that you are processing in your brain, it's not going to end well. And you're going to be more caught up in the story without recognizing the reality. It's also important to recognize that there's, unfortunately in OCD, people tend to catastrophize when they have certain types of aggressive or taboo thoughts. It's called thought-action fusion, where you give too much meaning to your thoughts. And so there's an idea of accepting some level of healthy aggression, recognizing that it's okay to have certain aggressive thoughts from time to time, as long as you're obviously not acting on them. It's fine, it's part of the normal human existence. There are other foundational concepts that are very important to keep in mind as well. Feel free to check out this month's blog, which is on this topic, as well as a longer video where I go into more depth for each of these concepts. Take care.